I'm Kate Groslin of John and Kate Plus 8.
And I'm John.
I've decided that since John has been a bad boy, he can only speak from behind the wall. And don't worry, it's not a real brick wall. It's cardboard. I wouldn't do anything like wall John in or anything. Not me. No, I'm nice, Kate. Well, as you can see, the sun revolves around me, and I'm a star now. For doing nothing but laying on my back and having a C-section. Take that, Paris. Now I'm decked out in all my designer clothes, and I got the makeover, but I don't like all the cameras following me and my family. No, those cameras that I get paid off of, they're okay. Those are fine. I make money off of those. I'm talking about the P-People cameras. P-People stands for paparazzi. I just don't like to say it. Okay, I don't like to say their name because that's just ridiculous. And they follow my family around, and I don't like it. Why don't I just get the fuck off of TV? Well, I'm a star, and TV needs me. I mean, I'm like the Jay-Z of TV now, and the kids just love it, and everything is fine. By the way, John has something to say now. John, tell the people what you have to say, and don't forget what I told you.
Yeah. I would just like to say that I'm sorry for my actions. Though I didn't cheat on Kate, because Kate is a perfect and wonderful woman, and why would I ever cheat on her? And I'm very sorry for my actions. But I would just like to say that I've been here every day while Kate is on her book tour. John, that's not part of the script that I gave you. I'm just saying that I've been here every day. I even quit my job so you could go on your book tour. Damn it! I told you how this was supposed to go, and you're ruining my image. I'm a wonderful mother. I bake and cook and clean poop, and that's all I do. That's all. No, I'm just saying that I'm not a bad guy either. Yes, you're the bad guy. I'm the victim. No, that's just not right.
Shut up, John. Leah has something to say. Yes, I used to be happy like this, but now I'm just tired of all their arguing and fighting. Leah, that's not good.
Let her speak, Kate. Just let her speak.
I'm just saying it's not. No, she's not saying the right thing.
Let her speak. Just let her speak.
These two give me a headache. Help us.